So we have to make the, see, horizon line little bit down than the middle part. Welcome everyone. We are making that snow mountain landscape. So this thing, and the horizon line has to be straight. Not little slant. That's why I made it correct. It should be straight, but it has to be little down than the middle line. Okay. Now, big mountain is there. All right. Rest we can make here. हाँ, तो बस इतना ही ड्राइंग है। ये जो शिकारा है ये हमें बाद में ड्रॉ करना है, अभी भी कर सकते हैं इनफैक्ट ड्रॉ। ये हमारा शिकारा है और इस पे जो बंदे बैठे हैं वो भी हम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं। नीचे भी कुछ बनाया है पहाड़ के नीचे रेंज बनाने की स्पेस में। हाँ, ये हल्की हल्की सी है जो उसमें देखिए फोटो में एक जो एक आध और है जो वो all right, this much is the drawing. दिख रहा है ना? Now first we have to make the sky. So for the sky we have to apply the water only in the sky, and because our mountain has lot of detail, so yeah, watch first, and then that's why we yeah, just raining. Yeah. And I parked my car there. Oh my God. Huh? ये मैंने cerulean लिया है. If you guys are not having cerulean, use the cobalt. And we have to use here plain. Okay, we should not, plain means we should not give any detail here. Only just and you know, while parking, all right.